Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create private lists on X. So go to the list section here. I'm in a few lists, but if you want to create your own, we're just going to press this like plus button here, and you're just going to add in your name. Just going to quickly type in my name. Well, it's not a name. Anyways, you can describe the list as well. For instance, love seeing you on my timeline. I just copied what she said here. Anyways, you can also make this private. Select next. You can also add in a picture. Then you can search people to put in your list. Then you're just going to hit the done button. You can also edit your list to make it not private, manage members, like maybe you want to kick people out of your list, or you can just delete the list altogether. You can also join people's lists here, I think. I don't know if they have to like accept it, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!